Hi everyone, Nathan here from Mighty Lancer Games. I've got some blue stuff chunks. This is from Green Stuff World. This is enough that comes from the contents of what comes from a pack of 8 pieces. Previously I've used these to make some shields, and right now we're going to reform them into some malleable material so we can make something different with them. So here I've got a bowl of boiling water. This is freshly boiled out of the kettle. And all I'm going to do is drop these pieces in there and just poke them around a little bit, and then once they've been in there a few seconds they should start getting soft and then be able to be moulded again into something new. So be very careful when you're doing this with boiling water. So these have been in here just about 20-30 seconds, and already it's starting to get a little bit jelly again. It might take it a little bit longer. It's been sat in the drawer in shield shape for a little while, so you can see it's just starting to get a little bit more flexible. Let's take it out. Just be really careful you don't burn yourself. And we'll take it out and see about making it a bit more jelly. So it's definitely a lot more malleable. It's just a little hard lump in there that needs to get soft again. So we'll just leave it in for a few more seconds. And there we go. So it's a little bit warm to the touch, and it's back into one nice big blob, so you can then reuse it to form whatever you need to form.